Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to understand the deposit fees in eToro in 2026. Before depositing money, it's important to understand possible fees. In today's video, I'll explain to you how the deposit fees work in eToro and what you need to watch out for in 2026. Now, we're going to start by some instructions and some steps you'll need to follow, so listen carefully and let's start and begin by the first thing, which is to check eToro's official fee page. As you can see here, this is the fee page. You're gonna visit the official eToro website, and then you're gonna go to the fees section. Once you do that, this page will explain all the platform charges extra clearly. As you can see here, you can see the investment account fees, the conversion fees, the stock margins, the stock lending, the ETFs, crypto, etc. So you're going to understand the deposit fees. Now, in many regions, eToro does not charge deposit fees. However, the currency conversions fees may apply. And if your deposit currency is different from your account currency, conversion fees may be charged. Now, the third thing you want to do is to check the payment provider fees. Now, your bank may charge international fees, and credit card providers may charge also the transaction fees, and the PayPal may apply its own charges. So always confirm your payment provider. The fourth thing you want to do is to review before confirming the deposit. Now, before finalizing a deposit, you're gonna review the amount, check the currency conversion details, and confirm the final total. Now, understanding deposit fees in eToro helps you avoid surprises. So always review currency conversion rates and check with your bank to ensure you know the full cost before depositing. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.